Today's the day I think we get the cab down where it's supposed to be. Finally got the heat shield I was looking for. I was looking for a higher rated than what I ordered the first time. First time what I got was for underneath the hood, which that's not really what I was looking for. I'm only concerned right where the exhaust goes straight down in front. I want to make sure that we don't have excess heat right there. I think everywhere else will be alright. So that's what we're going to do first. But first things first, we need to flip the cab the other way so we can get this attached to the firewall. Right here's where I'm talking about. This is what I'm worried about getting real hot. The rest I think will sit low and driving will swoop that heat away. But right here, that's a bit of a concern. We're kind of right between the tunnel and where these mount. So that's where we're going to look at on the firewall. Here's what I'm thinking is that area right there and kind of the same thing, and we'll see where we get. It's not the biggest piece ever, but just trying to get right there in the middle. So I'm going to go ahead and template it out of paper so we know what we're cutting. Test fit action. That looks good. It's like I know what I'm doing. What's the chances I can get that stuck in the right spot? Alright, one down, one to go. Boy, that looks good. It's a good thing it's almost the end of the year because I'm about out of free desk calendars. It's on there this way. This needs to be on there this way. I didn't get enough for that. Why wouldn't I cut that one backwards? Alright. Time to salvage this piece. Don't tell anybody I messed that up. This is like the poor 15 all over again. Why wouldn't this come off? There it is. Oops. What mess up. I mean, totally redeemed myself right there. I gotta say that looks intentional with the little whoop whoop. So, look at this. I'm very happy. That looks good. You're never gonna see it, but it looks good. I think that'll keep the heat down. We're still going to put a bunch of stuff on the inside to help with that, but those are the major hot spots. We got those covered. Let's put it together. Unless you're new to the channel, you've seen me put this truck together. So we're not going to kill time with that. If you haven't watched it, go back and watch one of the other episodes. I put it together over and over and over again. So we're going to do the and we'll see you in a minute when it's together. Check it out. It looks amazing. Once again, it's hard to see. You just see black. But that's what we want. We want that to just look like it does. The engine's dirty as can be. When this is all shined up against that nice, clean, black firewall, hey, I couldn't ask for more. Better look at what we did with that heat shield. Lines right up there. That's all the further we're going to put this together right now. There's still stuff needs painted. After painting that core support, man, that looks really good. There's a couple other braces that we made, you know, the fender ones. Those need painted. A couple other odds and ends that I don't want to put this together, take it apart, put it together, take it apart, put it together. No, we're going to try and get as much of this done. Even though I know we'll have to take it apart again, there's no sense in doing it over and over and over if I can avoid it. So that's as far as the front is going to get put together for now. We are going to move on and paint all that stuff. Next time, I am going to run to the junkyard and get a seat for it. So I haven't put in the steering wheel or anything just quite yet because I want to make sure I can fit the seat in with some room to maneuver and then make sure everything fits around that. So that's where we're headed next time. We're going to get a seat and start test fitting that. Like always, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.